So if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is the data log of a 12-second pass on our Subaru Forester that has a V8 and is turbocharged. So I have never drag raced an automatic vehicle before, especially a turbocharged one. So my question is, these boost spikes on the shifts, is that normal for a boosted automatic car? I'm just not sure. I've only ever drag raced manual cars before. So you can see I'm targeting 7 PSI and it's doing really good with holding that, but then on the shifts, it spikes about a pound up because it's, yeah, there's an 8.2. So it's going, that's the biggest spike. So it's going about 1 pound over where I'm targeting. So I would, if you guys know, if you've drag raced automatic turbo cars before, is that normal for it to spike like that on the shifts? As you can see, it drops back down pretty quickly. Yeah, I mean, it's already dropping back down there. So sorry if you can hear I have a husky and he is an idiot. So sorry if you can hear him in the background, but yeah. So that was my question. Is it normal to see about a 1 pound boost spike on the shifts from where you're targeting? You guys ever get out to the garage or, you know, place of your hobby, you get out there and you're just like, man, where do I even start? That's kind of how I feel today. I've just got so much stuff out here. What do they call that? Analysis paralysis, I think they call that. So what I do is just eventually just freaking decide on something and just start doing it. So I think what I might do right now is maybe do some cleaning up a little bit. Let's do that. Check that out. That is a way better. That makes my brain feel so good. Don't worry about me. I'm just knocking a bunch of shit over. All right, let's bring our bumper over here. Now we got a place to work on that. Stay. And let's get our fog light. It's funny, I forgot how these went in the bumper. Like I was like, which way do these go? So they actually go in. Oh, this is gonna want to do all kinds of weird stuff. There's not a lot of structure left to this bumper. So it actually goes kind of like this. Kind of like that. Yeah, that looks about right. So what I think I'm gonna need to do is, there's no structure to attach it to the car anymore because it used to attach itself to the bumper, the actual bumper beam. So, but now I think I'm gonna try to figure out a way to attach it to this, even though it might be a little wiggly jiggly. I think that's going to be my better option here. Okay, so I think what I'm going to try to do is use this bracket to attach it to the bumper, because there is some spots where it will kind of link up. So let's take a look. Let's put that there. So let's eyeball this, as we always do with every project on this car. Ooh, that fits pretty nice right there. I like that. So it looks like it wants to bend right where there's already a crease, kind of right here. So let's do that. It's probably gonna be bend super easy because it's nice and rusty, how we like it. Oh yeah, like butter. Bends like butter. Now what if we do that, and let's take a look. Okay. Progress. Yeah, I think we can make something happen there. So I'm gonna drill this out a little bigger. That way we can fit a bigger bolt through and give it the most support possible. All right, let's do this. Send it. Oh, this drill bit's shot. Hang on, stand by. All right, I think this drill bit will do it, and it looks much newer. Now we send it. Oh yeah. Now we're talking. Woo! Thing's trying to take my arm off. We're definitely biting now. There we go. Sweet. That looks like it's gonna be the right size hole. Grab my random nut and bolt that I found. Yep, that is the perfect size. Bolt in. Yep, there's enough to grab. So, let's see if we can get this nut on. Oh yeah, this is gonna be tricky. Okay, not bad. It's definitely not sitting in the factory location. It would have been out further with the factory location, I believe, but still cool though. Still got the fog light back in it. It's still a wiggle, it's kind of wiggly jiggly. Like, you can see it, yeah. So I think I'm gonna make maybe some kind of support for it on the top. Or, oh my God, I almost just took out my light. But most likely I'm just gonna zip tie it or something. As a matter of fact, let's do that real quick and see if that helps. Oh yeah, that helped a ton. Look at this. No more jiggle. One zip tie. You know what they say? A zip tie a day keeps the doctor away, right? I think that's what they say. All right, fog light is in. Let's see if she worked. Oh yeah, it's looking like it. Nice. I don't know. For me, it might be a small thing, but for me, I think that really completes the look of the bumper. It kind of looked a little, well, it still looks pretty janky, but it looks a little less janky now. Looks a little more complete. I like it. It was worth the work. So I've tried to cover a lot of stuff on this car, but if you guys have any questions of things that I haven't answered yet, just feel free, put them in the comments below, and I'll do the best I can to answer. All right, so that's kind of it for this video. Not too much going on right now, just like little stuff. Getting prepped for drag week. I haven't had a ton of spare time really, so just a little quick video, little update. And then as you might be able to see, I've got some stuff in the rack up here just to kind of test it out, because these the crossbars I got for this thing are a little suspect, so I want to test them out a little bit before we go on a 1,000-mile drive with a whole bunch of crap on it. If you guys are still watching at this point, or if you watch the video at all, that's freaking fantastic. That's awesome. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Next video is going to be a really exciting, short little fun video that is something really exciting for me personally. It's probably kind of boring for most people, but it's going to be pretty cool, and I'll hopefully try and make the video fun and entertaining. All right, anyway, bye.